Hello friends, it's a brand new week and today I want to share one simple powerful test skill you can learn this week that will make a huge difference in your personal and professional life. That skill is using Canva to create stunning designs in minutes. So if you are ever wanted to make beautiful presentations, flyers, social media posts, or even videos, this is for you. Now, why Canva? First, is free and beginner friendly. You don't need to be a graphic designer to use it. Secondly, it saves you time and money. Instead of paying someone for every little design, you can create your own in minutes. And third, it is a skill you can actually monetize. People pay others to create flyers, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts. You can do all that once you know the basics of Canva. Go to your Canva app or canva.com on the browser. You can see this is Canva. So go to templates, or you can just search for templates here. You can search for, let's say I want to do thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. You can see it here. When you select it to come out with different, you can see them, different design. Let's assume I want to use something like this. I'll select. So when you select it, you can see it will open for you to customize it to whatever you want, whatever design. So let's assume I don't want this picture. I'll select the picture, delete. Look at delete here. I'll replace it with another one. To replace, you can go to upload. So in your upload, you can upload any one you have in your Canva gallery, or you go to gallery, it takes you to your phone gallery or your system gallery to pick your what you want. Or if I don't have any, I go to elements. This is element. So from elements, I can actually search for anything I want. So let me say in this element I want to search for here, search for a woman using computer. Let me say a lady using computer. Search. So when you search, it will give you different people. So you can select, you can see, look at them, different. You can click on this one to see all. So if you have anyone you like there, you can pick. So let me pick this one. Or you go to graphics to pick anyone you want. You can expand them, expanding this one. There are so many of them. Then to edit this one, you select. Let's assume I want to edit this one. As I've selected, click inside. You can turn it to anything you want. This one, you can turn it to whatever you want. To change the color, look at it. The color is here. I want to change to blue. You can change. You can change to any color you want to apply. You can change to any color you want. This is how simple it is for you to. Imagine you are starting a small business. You can design your flyers, product labels, and social media posts yourself. Or maybe you are a student, you can make your presentation look more polished. The best part, it is fun. You will feel like a designer without needing advanced skills. So here's my challenge for you this week. Pick one Canva template and customize it for your personal brand, school project, or business. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow.